So it is a circle has the same center as an ellipse and passes through the foci f1 and f2 of the ellipse. Okay, so as I told you, whenever you have something like that, you draw the figure. Uh, Before that, let's see let's assume that the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse, right? The center, what is the center of this ellipse? Is 0 comma 0. Center of the circle is also, we are assuming it as 0 comma 0. Okay, and it passes through the focus. Now, let's draw the figure first of all. 1 second. Oh, so it's not given which whether it is a horizontal ellipse or a vertical ellipse. We are assuming it as a horizontal ellipse and drawing it. Okay, so we have an ellipse which is having its center at the origin, and we have another circle. So this, let's assume that these two are the uh, foci of the ellipse, and we have a circle which is passing through with the same center, which is passing through the both the foci. So somewhat something like this. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the equation. You can see that. So what is the foci of an ellipse? For this ellipse, the point C will be A comma 0, right? Point C will be A comma 0. So in that case, this radius of the circle is A, right? Yes or no? So this is A comma 0, so the radius will be A. So R is equal to A for the circle. Okay. And they are asking, okay, such that the two curves intersect in 4 points. So obviously, these two curves are intersecting one. This is two. I'll mark it in red. Okay, these are the points where it is intersecting. So two curves are intersecting at 4 points. Okay, let P be any one of their points of intersection. Let's assume this is the point of intersection. For ease of solving, I think it's better to find a point on the on the first quadrant. Okay, now uh, any one point of intersection. If the major axis of the ellipse is 17, so major axis is 17. Okay, that means 2 times A is 70. Correct? Length of the semi-major axis is A, so major axis will be 2A. Okay, put it there. So 2A is equal to 70. Okay. Now, uh, the area of the triangle PF and F. P, F and F. So I'm going to draw the triangle. Let's use some other color. Blue BC. This this will be the triangle P, F1, F2. F1 is are the two foci. Okay. Okay. So these two are given. Now, so basically you want, so one more thing. So since R is equal to A is what is A? Is C. Yes or no? A is equal to C. Now we know we have a relationship between A and B. Means C, A, B, A and B. What is it? A square is equal to B square plus C square. Now from this, what is C square? Is equal to A square minus B square. Now let's put it here, and this is equal to R square eventually, right? Now, what will be the equation of the circle? What will be the equation of the circle? Equation of the circle will be radius we know, center we know. What is the center? X square. Center is 0 comma 0, so x square plus y square is equal to a square minus b square is the equation of the circle. This is the equation of the circle. Okay. Now we have the equation of the circle. Now what is the next thing is to it's given that we need to find the point P. And what is the point P? Is the intersection of ellipse and the circle. Now we have equation of ellipse already we have written on top. This is equation of ellipse and equation of circle we have here. So if you solve them simultaneously, I should get the equation for the means I should get the point P because the intersection of these two equations is P. So let's put what I'm going to do is I'm going to find x square from here. What is x square? Is a square minus b square minus y square. I'm going to put this in the equation of ellipse. What will happen? X so a square minus b square minus y square divided by a square plus b square. So plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay. Now I can divide this. So if I simplify this, I'll get I can find y. How to find y? So I'll remove everything in terms of y, which is not y to the right side. So I'll get a square by a square is 1 minus b square by a square minus y square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So 1 cancels off. So what is remaining? I'll get y square um, by b square minus y square by a square is equal to b square by a square. Correct? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is to get rid of this um, the denominators. What I can do is I can multiply by b square everywhere. Will it help? Let's see. Minus b square plus okay. Okay. Otherwise, we'll bring it to the right side. I'll get y square by b square is equal to b square plus y square by a square. Okay. Okay. Let's simplify this. You'll get a square y square equal to b power 4 minus b square y square. Sorry, plus b square y square. My mistake. So when you bring it this side, I'll get y square times a square minus b square equal to b power 4. Or y square will be b power 4 by uh, a square minus b square. Keep this in mind. This is y square. Okay, that is the y coordinate of this triangle. Like, okay. Now here we can see that what is the area of this triangle? Area of the triangle PF1 F2. What is the area of the triangle PF1 F2? We want the area of a triangle, right? It's given as 30 square roots. What is the area of a triangle? Is half into base into height, right? Now, what is height is the y coordinate. We have got the equation for y coordinate here, right? So if y square is then y will be equal to plus or minus b b square by square modulus of a square minus b square. I will take this b square minus out because our value is positive. So I will take y as b square by modulus of a square minus b square. So let's put it. What is the formula of area? Area of P F1 F2 is equal to half into this one, that is b square by modulus of a square minus b square. And there is something I forgot, it's square root of. So modulus of is not needed. Okay, it's square root is here alone is enough. Square root of a square minus b, because anyway square a square minus b square is uh, positive number, right? We will not take the negative context in case of A and B, because A and B are basically values here, right? Cannot be negative. And obviously A is bigger, so it will not be negative. Okay. So here we get like this. So this is half into 2 times A. What is 2 times the focus? That is F1 M2. What is focus here? This much distance is A, and this much distance is A. Right? Both will be 2 times A. So 2 into A. Now what is A is C, right? What is C? A is C, right? C. And what is C? Is square root of A square minus B square. So this will be square root of A square minus B square. Okay, so what is the area? When you solve this, this came to a convenience, this will cancel off and this will cancel off. I'll get B square is equal to 30. Because this is 30, area is given as 30 in the question. So B square is equal to 30. And what else is given? Remember, we wrote in the beginning that 2a is equal to 17 also, right? So B naught a square. Now, what is a here? So a will be 17 by 2. A will be 17 by 2. Okay. And here they're asking what is it? What are they asking? They're asking what is 2 times C. They're asking what is the distance between the foci. Sorry. So they're asking what is 2 times C. So F1 F2 is 2 times C. Now we know C is square root of A square minus B square. In place of A, I will put 7 by 2. So 289 by 4 minus 30. We have to simplify this. So 2 times, when you simplify, what will you get? It is the 27. So 284 minus 270. 284 minus 289. Okay. 17 square, right? 289. 289 minus 270. 17 square. Root of okay, I made a mistake. This is not 9. This is 4. Okay. So no. 289 by 4. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. 289 minus 120 divided by root of 4 is 2. So this is going to cancel out. So root of 289 minus 20, 120. 289 minus 120 is 169. So root of 169 is 30. So 13 is the answer. Okay. So I believe you understood. If you have doubts, you can just go back and go on with the solution again. I think it's clear this one. Thank you.